Hey, this is Johnny King, and thanks for taking a look at Merch Lister Pro. I just want to make a short video to show everyone kind of what Merch Lister Pro is all about, how it can help you out, and how it can save you time so you can do more things that you like to do, like make more shirts and make more money. So we'll jump right in. So whenever you first download Merch Lister Pro, you have it installed on Chrome. It is a Chrome extension, so it only works on Chrome. You're gonna go into the process of uploading a shirt onto Merch, and then you're gonna head and click on the Merch Lister Pro icon in the top, and you're gonna encounter this screen. It has nothing in it. So the first thing you want to do is build profiles. And so what a profile does is it's going to take all the listing information that you would regularly put into merch, the brand name, the title of the product. The keyboard shortcut is something we'll go over in a second. And then your list price, your key product features, which are going to be your bullet points, and your description. So you can go ahead and put these in. You can say, let's go Merch Lister Pro tees. And this is going to be the MLP test shirt. The keyboard shortcut is actually what allows the lister to input the data onto the page for you. And you can do this either by using the context menu or by entering the shortcut. So I'm going to say the keyboard shortcut I want to use is Q. And then we'll say we'll price this at $19.97. Key product features are going to be, for just make it short, we'll say cool bullet 1. Nice bullet 2, really great description, and then we'll save. And so now we have a merch profile, and so you can use this on every shirt if you want, and when you go into the listing page, you can just input that and it'll pull all that data across. But a really cool new feature that we just added are the color options. So if you click open colors, we're going to build a color profile as well. So let's go ahead and make 2 of those. So on the color profiles, you make a name. It's not going to show up on the page. It's just so you can identify which profile you're going to use. So let's say we're going to do standard shirt and dark colors. And the shortcut I want here is for 1. Now all of these shortcuts can be either letters or numbers or a combination. And it's just you have to enter those in a pretty quick keystroke, and then the extension will recognize that as the shortcut and it'll input the data for you. So we'll choose standard shirt. You can choose standard or premium, and just choose 5 colors, so up to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to do this for men, women, and youth. You don't have to select all 3 of those. You can do anything you want, and we'll say $19.97 as the price. Hit save. So let's go ahead and make 1 more of those. And let's say we want a premium shirt and bright colors. And we'll make this shortcut 2. I'm going to go premium, men, women, youth, and let's just go with something that's just a little bit brighter. All right, and since these are more expensive to make, we'll say these are $21.97. All right, great. So now we have both a color profile or a couple color profiles and our regular listing profile. And so once those are built, you can go back to your merch page, and there's a couple ways that you can select your color profile. The first way is you can right click on the page and go to color selector tool and choose standard dark, and it'll pull all that information for you. Or conversely, you can choose your other profiles. Or you can use your keyboard shortcut. So if you just go down here and you want to, okay, let's go 1. Let's go 2. And it'll change it back and forth for you. So let's say we're going to go premium, and we're going to save there. You can also reorder these profiles by you can either press this button to move it down, and it'll move them down, or you can drag them and just drop them where you want them to be. Also, if you want to have a whole bunch of profiles and you want only the ones to show in the context menu, you can disable them all, or this green check mark will tell you which ones are enabled. So if one's not enabled, whenever you go into the context menu, that one won't be there. And so the same works with the listing details. You can either go here and choose the details, or you can use your keyboard shortcut. So we'll just press Q, and it'll pull in all of our information. And the same, all the same features work for the merch profiles. If you have more than one, you can reorder them. You can choose which ones you want to appear in the context menu. You can click this button to edit the profile in case you want to change something, and then you can just press the green check to save it, or press X to cancel that change. You can also import and export these using a CSV. If you export, it's going to open up a CSV that has what you have already going on. So now we have this one, and let's say, okay, well, I'm going to build some other templates and drop those into there. So like that. You'll save this, and then you can go ahead and import that. And it's going to pull in all of those templates for you. And so now, if you right-click on that context menu, you have all these to choose from, and it's going to sort those by the title by default. So let's see here. If you look here, you have baseball shirt. If you want to sort by the brand name, you can switch this toggle switch. And then if you go back here, it's going to sort it by the brand name. Now all of these have the same brand name, so I'm like, okay, well I want to sort these by the title. And if you go back to the screen, you can hit, and it's on the title. Also, you can just use your keyboard shortcuts. So you hit Q, baseball shirt. W is our basketball shirt. E is our football shirt. R is our hockey shirt. And it'll update everything, and then you just hit save. And that's it. Now this one won't let you save because it has to be at least 75 characters. So there's that. All right, another cool feature is that whenever you import your designs, let's say that you imported something that the characters are too long, so you've gone over the character limit that Amazon will allow you. So I just added some extra characters in here. It'll throw up this flag that says the max length for this character is 50, or the max length for this this field is 60 characters. The max length for your bullet points is 256. So it'll throw up that flag to let you know you need to go in to change that, because Amazon isn't going to let you do that. All right, so yeah, I think Merchlister Pro is actually going to be most beneficial for people who are in the 100 and higher tiers, because it's really going to be more beneficial to people who can upload multiple shirts per day. So let's say that you have 5 different variations of like a Halloween shirt with a witch and a pumpkin on them, and you want to upload each design on a standard shirt and a premium shirt, so you have a total of 10 uploads. So let's say you're really fast and you can average about 2.5 minutes per shirt. So without some sort of tool, that's smoking fast. Your total upload time would be 25 minutes for those 10 uploads. With Merchlister Pro, you could easily do those 10 uploads in 10 minutes or less. I use it every day. I could probably do those in less than 5. So I'm the 2000 tier right now, and I have 40 uploads per day, and it generally takes me around 30 minutes to hit my 40 uploads, which includes doing my keyword research. So if you do 40 uploads per day at 2.5 minutes each, that's 100 minutes. So I take 30 minutes, you take 100 minutes, that saves 70 minutes every day. Assuming you're pushing hard and you're hitting your limit maybe 300 days per year, that's going to save you 350 hours in a year. That's over 14 entire days. Personally, if I can save like an hour or two one time, I'd pay $30 or $40 to save that hour. So some people think I'm an idiot for wanting to make this a one-time fee and not a monthly membership, but I want people to really succeed with merch. I want people to crush it and make tons of money. And it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you feel like it's not worth it, then you can hit me up and I'll give you a quick refund. Fun fact, I've had 0 people do that. So yeah, take a look, hit the buy button now, and let me know how you feel about it. Let me know what things you think I should add in the next update. And you guys crush it and make lots of money. See ya.